Welcome to Goodman Exim Consulting. Today, we will learn how to file an application for AEO Certification, step by step. Log in to AEO Government website and click on the Registration tab for your company registration. Go to the AEO registration page, fill in your company details, email, IEC number, and mobile, then submit. After verification by the AEO section, your login credentials will be sent to your registered email. Once you get your AEO login credentials, sign in to the portal. Click on the T1 application to open Annexure 1. Fill in your company details and upload all required documents. Then, click Save and move to Annexure 2. In Annexure 2, upload the required documents and provide your company's financial details. Then submit the final application. If there's any deficiency, you'll get an email from the department to correct it. Once all requirements are met, your AEO certificate will be issued by email. The entire process usually takes about 1 month.
Applying for AEO certification can be complex. That's where Goodman Exim Consulting comes in. We offer complete end-to-end support for a smooth and successful approval. Contact us on the given email ID or WhatsApp number. You'll receive our immediate attention. Thanks and have a good day.